TurboLearn AI is a study tool powered by artificial intelligence designed to help students and professionals automate the most time-consuming parts of learning. It promises to transform lectures, videos, and PDFs into summarized notes, flashcards, and quizzes while offering an AI chatbot that can answer questions about uploaded material. The goal is to help users save time organizing study materials and instead focus on understanding and retaining information. One of the platform's strongest features is its ability to automatically generate study aids from various content formats. Users can upload a video or PDF, and TurboLearn quickly creates key summaries, important questions, and practice quizzes. The interactive flashcards and quizzes make studying more engaging, while the chatbot helps clarify concepts or definitions in real time. Many users appreciate how much time it saves, especially when preparing for exams or revising large amounts of material. It's a convenient way to convert raw learning resources into structured, digestible study tools. However, TurboLearn AI isn't perfect. Accuracy can sometimes be an issue, especially when handling complex or nuanced topics. The summaries may oversimplify or misinterpret ideas, so users still need to review the generated content carefully. The free plan is quite limited, restricting the number of uploads or study sessions, which may frustrate heavy users. To get the most out of the app, an upgrade to a paid plan is usually necessary. Some users have also reported interface issues like occasional bugs, slow loading, or confusing navigation, which can disrupt the learning flow. In addition, the platform's pricing structure isn't always transparent. Certain features are locked behind paywalls, and the differences between plans can be unclear at first glance. TurboLearn performs best for structured subjects like science, history, and business, where facts and definitions dominate. For disciplines that require deeper interpretation or critical analysis, such as literature or philosophy, the app's summaries and quizzes can feel too surface level. Still, for students who want to speed up note-taking, review material more efficiently, and reinforce memory with automated quizzes, it provides substantial value. Overall, TurboLearn AI is a promising tool for anyone who studies regularly and wants to optimize their learning routine. It won't replace genuine comprehension or deep study, but it can significantly reduce the workload involved into organizing and reviewing information. If you use it thoughtfully, checking the AI's outputs and combining it with your own notes, it can be a powerful study companion. The free version is worth trying to see if its approach fits your learning style, but for full functionality, expect to invest into the paid plan. TurboLearn AI isn't flawless, but it offers enough innovation and practicality to make it a worthwhile tool for modern learners looking to study smarter, not harder. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.